are a beginner and want to get into reading, then you must definitely pick up books that are thin, which have got simple, easy language, and the book must be of your preference and likings. If you want to read books in English, then also you must watch this video till the end. Welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetha. If you are a beginner, then this video is certainly for you, because in this video I will talk about 10 books under the category of fiction and non-fiction. In fiction there will be 5 books, in non-fiction there will be 5 books. Again, each of the books in each of these main category is divided into different genres. Watch this video till the end and pick a book according to the genre that you like, and let me know in the comment section how you like today's video. But before I begin today's video, have you subscribed my channel Book Tales by Preetha? Is the subscribe button still red? Then in that case, do press subscribe so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. To know more about Book Tales by Preetha, follow Book Tales by Preetha on Facebook. There is a Facebook group by the name Book Tales by Preetha. Also, there is an Instagram handle by the name Book Tales by Preetha. On Twitter, the account is @PreethaSharkar18, and if you want to follow my blog, then it is preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. The link of all the social media handle is given in the description below. Also, the books that I am mentioning over here, the link of all these books is given in the description section below. If you want to read and buy any of these books, then do buy it from the link given in the description section below. Because if you buy it from the link given in the description section, then I get a very small percentage as my commission. Now, without further ado, let's begin today's video. Let me begin with the fiction category first, and the first book in the fiction category is And There Were None by Agatha Christie. Now, most of you know that Agatha Christie is considered as murder mystery queen. In this particular book, it is the story of 10 absolute strangers who are invited to a secluded island, and one by one each of the person gets murdered. How it is done, why it is so, to know that you have to read this gripping thriller mystery book And There Were None by Agatha Christie. This book, why I am referring here, is because it has got very simple language, and the story is also very gripping. It is from this book several movie adaptation has been made both in English and Hindi. So also this particular story adaptation has been made in Netflix, as well as I think it is in BBC also that the adaptation has been telecasted. So read this book, and if you like it, do mention in the comment section your feedback after reading this particular book And There Were None by Agatha Christie. The next book that I want to talk in the category of fiction is a mythological retelling. Again, a very popular book. I recommend this book in my different videos as well as Instagram and Facebook content. The book in question is The Immortals of Meluha by Amish Tripathi. I have a full video on this book, the link of which I will put in the description section below, as well as somewhere over here in the card. Now, why this book is so very popular? Because it is the first book of its kind where the author has dared to make human forms of Hindu gods and goddesses. This is the story of Shiva, who lives in the land, who goes from Tibet, where he is living, to the land of Meluha, and the adventure begins. Now, this much I will tell about this book, rest is for you to read. Again, it is an interesting tale. The language is very simple. So that is the reason I am preferring this book for beginners. And if you enjoy reading this book, then do not forget to read the other 2 books in this particular trilogy as well. The third book that I would refer in this particular video is a book based on the theme of romance. Again, a very popular book. The book in question is Chetan Bhagat's Two State. Now, this is the story of a Punjabi boy falling for a South Indian girl and what happens next. Now, many may argue with me why I am referring a book by Chetan Bhagat for book suggestion for beginners. I will say that if you are a beginner level reader, read books with simple language, read books that you can finish till the end. And this book definitely has those ingredients, and this book is very funny also. So if you have watched this particular movie called Two States, which starred Alia Bhatt and Arjun Kapoor, then do read this book. This book, I will tell you, is way better than the movie. So this is my third book for today's video recommendation. The next book that I would talk in this book recommendation video is again a very popular book. I'm sure most of you have read it, but the ones who haven't read it, the book in question is Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Alchemist is one of the very popular books. I refer this book in most of my videos. Alchemist is the story of a shepherd boy, Santiago, who goes in search of treasure. Now, you know what? Even though you are a beginner level reader or an advanced level reader, this book is for everyone, for every age group. Every time you read this particular book, this book gives you knowledge of wisdom. This book gives you encouragement. And again, this book has got a good story and a simple language, but the teachings or the wisdom that is there in this particular book is the wisdoms of a lifetime. And that is the reason I thought this book would be a very good recommendation for books for beginners. Now, let me talk to you about a book which is a collection of short stories. Previously, all the books that I told were single novels, but this one I thought let me also mention a collection of short stories. So the book in question is Quiverful of Arrows by Jeffrey Archer. In this particular book, each story is based on a particular country, and the ending of each of the story is very surprising. I love this short story collection book by Jeffrey Archer, and that is the reason I thought why not recommend a book of short stories for readers who are just starting their reading journey. I'm sure you will enjoy reading this book too. So if you have read any of these 5 books that I just now mentioned, then mention in the comment section and share your feedback on the book. Now I will talk to you about the 5 non-fiction books. The first non-fiction book that I would like to recommend to you in this particular video is this book, Fast, Cheap and Viral by Ashish Chopra. I read this book I think in January or February this year, and this book is again a book full of very important knowledge if you want to pursue with digital marketing, digital communication, social media marketing. This book, I'm telling you, this book is a must for you. And by now, I'm sure most of you know that the future is based on social and digital media. So this book is a must read for you. Now, what is there in this book? A detailed review of this particular book has been done in my blog. I will put the link in the description section below. Now, this book talks about how you can create content, in a cheap manner without spending too much, how you can create content which will be shared by different people so that that content becomes a viral content and is watched by many people. Trust me, I have utilized some of the tips and tricks that Ashish Chopra has mentioned in this particular book. I really found it extremely helpful for my YouTube journey and my social media career. So this is the first book that I am recommending. This is like a textbook for anyone and everyone who want to pursue a career in social media or digital media. The next book that I would like to recommend in the non-fiction category is 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. Now, every business or every work that you do begins with a 0. You take steps forward to go to step 1. So this is true for every work that any individual is doing in this particular world. Why it is important? what should you do and what you shouldn't do in following the steps that has been so well mentioned in this particular book with very easy, simple language. Please read this particular book. I'm sure if you are a beginner level reader, this book is bound to encourage you to take step in your entrepreneur or business journey in the long run. The next two books that I would like to refer, I'm actually reading these two books. The books are very easy and very simple, and I thought, why not mention in this particular video. The first book is Attitude is Everything by Jeff Taylor. In this particular book, as far as I have read, this book is hardly of 125 pages. The author talks about why right attitude is important for any and every work that you do. How a right attitude or a right state of mind can help you to achieve your goal, to improve your relationship, and help you in different sphere of life. I plan to do a full review of this particular book very soon, and by the time this particular video is published, I am sure to write down the blog on this particular book and what I have learned from this particular book, which I will put in the description section, the link of that particular blog. And the next book that I want to talk again, if you are following my video from a long time, you must be knowing that I read multiple books at a time. So the next book that I am reading is Zen, The Art of Simple Living. In this particular book, Japanese philosopher Zen talks about different principles that can lead you to have a simple, easy, happy life. I will tell only this much. I will talk in detail about this book in a separate video. If it is made by the time this video is published, I will surely put the link in the description section below. If not, then do pardon me. But let me get back to the point. Please read this book. You know, in this complex lifestyle that we are living in, we are forgetting the essence of a simple, easy, happy life. Why it is important, how it can benefit humans, has been so nicely pointed out by Zen. So that is the reason I will tell everyone, a beginner level reader or any reader at any stage, read this book at least once in your lifetime. I'm sure you will learn some good points from this particular book. And the last book, people will kill me if I put this book in the beginner book recommendation video, but I can't stop myself. This is one of my favorite books, and yes, this book is not for beginner level reader, but if you have read all these 9 books that I have mentioned previously, then I'm sure you can attempt to read this particular book. You will find this book extremely interesting. The book in question is Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind by Yuval Noah Harari. This is not a simple book, but this book gives you the knowledge that is the knowledge of a lifetime. I have made a full video dedicated to this book. After reading this book, I have made as much research I could do about the author, about the book, about whatever is mentioned in this particular book. This book is very, very enriching. The knowledge this book gives you is one of its kind. Yes, this book, I'm telling you, this book will take you a lot of time to read, to understand, then to emphasize whatever is given in this particular book. But if you once understand the grip of what the author is trying to say, I'm sure you will love this book. But yes, I'm repeating it once again. If you are a very beginner or a nascent level reader, you might find this book little bit tough and the language little bit complex, but nevertheless do give this book a try. So these were the 10 books, 5 fiction, 5 non-fiction. In each of the book category, I have tried to again subdivide it into different genre like thriller, mystery, books on entrepreneurship, social media. Then there was books of Sapiens, which I personally feel it is a book of its kind. It is a bank of knowledge. A philosophical book like Alchemist, which I strongly believe that everyone should read at least one in their life. Books like Zen, The Art of Simple Living, and Attitude is Everything. two books, two different varied genre. So if you like this particular video, or if you read any of the books after watching this video, then do write it in the comment section. To share your feedback about the books that I mentioned in this particular video. And if you find this video of little bit of help or use to you, do hit the like button. And to watch similar video, do subscribe to Book Tales by Preetha, wherein I come up with new videos every week. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata and goodbye, and thank you for watching this video till the end.